Hello, guys. Welcome to, this game is Soul Knight again. So, I got this guy. I don't know this. He looks good, so let's try him out. I should have not used all my energy. So that's poison. Okay, not bad. The starter weapon is kind of OP, and its also ability is good. It's just a lot of bullets with this weapon, which is good, and it's easier to control. It's way easier to control. It's not that hard, and it has poison, chance of doing poison. This guy is actually pretty good. I mean, I don't think I could just use this weapon. I'll be fine. Just use its other and the ability, and I'll be fine. Look, once you get stuck in it, they just drain HP, and they're dead. So guys, I'll pause it until I'm on the boss wave. Guys, I just realized when he moves, he looks like a slug, and he doesn't have legs. It looks like he doesn't have legs, and he's a slug. I just wanted to put that. Literally, look, his woes on the floor. Level 1-3. Level 1-3. So guys, I'm gonna have my progress from here on. I'm gonna let you guys show. I'm gonna show you guys because I think right now we're kind of close. We're only going to wave. I'm gonna go to level 1-4. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing this character. I will want more gems update on the game. That's why I couldn't use that one. Alright, so this is good. Let's go up here. I was almost faster than the energy. That was a close one, but I somehow blocked it. What? I'm using actually this ability a lot because it's actually pretty good. Woo! I'm definitely going to upgrade this character, guys. Ew, we're already on the boss wave. 1 second. At 4 HP, everything. I already could have got some more weapons. This is glitch. Alright. On the boss wave, guys. Let's go and try. With this weapon. I will really never use anything else in this weapon this whole entire time. It's like poison and stuff. But definitely this character is worth getting. If you can, what's something you just save up for this character, okay? If you do, you're gonna it's good, you're gonna be happy for it. And just see, it's like a strategy you guys can do if you want to. And I try to rush in. With this character, don't try to rush in so fast. I mean, it's a little bit short range, but you always can do something to actually attack the character. Oh no. It's a blueprint, guys! Sorry, guys, it was a blueprint. Oh, I got hit actually a little. I did good, but I got hit. I go in with 1 HP. Not good. Okay. Now, how was that fail? Oh, now I did it back to you. Law. Yeet, yeet, dodge. Yeet, dodge. Oh no. I don't really think it was worth sacrificing one HP for blueprint, guys. Maybe once you use it, the blueprint goes away, I think. So guys, we're going in with 9 HP. We should be able to, hopefully able to do this. I never have beat a single boss in this game. Oh yeah, that did a lot of damage. That sure did a lot of damage. Guys, I need to heal up. Yeah, I'll get my shit back up. Oh, you kidding me? Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and bye.